Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 6th standard, the chapter number 2, that is whole number is there. In that chapter, the last lesson is patterns in a whole number. Dear students, you know about the patterns of whole numbers. The patterns of numbers are here. What are the patterns of numbers? Or otherwise, you learn about in your previous class numbers only. What are the numbers? The all numbers also you will know. One is special pattern is there is no problem, that is 1, and also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite. These all are natural number, but 0 also whole number. What it is, all our numbers are here. What is the natural number also here? Number patterns. What is the meaning of patterns? Means you can write one pattern. For example, in your ರಂಗೋಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಣುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು diagram ಹಾಕೋದು ಈ ತರ. Got it? The patterns of numbers are here. This like 1 is only 1 is there. 2 means 2 is there, 2 points. 3 means 3 points. This like it. And also 4 means 4 points. Got it? 4. Next 5 means 5 dot. 5 dot. This type are patterns in the line patterns. Line pattern. Line pattern. Line pattern. This is one line. This is one line. Line is the line patterns are there. In the numbers, rearrangement in the number line pattern, or otherwise in your geometry line. Next rectangle, square, and a triangle also here. Triangle. Some numbers are rearrangement or arranged in a line pattern, rectangle pattern, and also square pattern, and also triangle pattern. For example, these all are line pattern. You study about what about next one is the rectangle pattern. The rectangle pattern means you can write therefore to write only one and one only. This is the line pattern. This is not a rectangle. This is not a square. This is not a triangle. Only rectangle. But the 3 number is there. 3 number you can write in a 2 way. First one is in the line pattern also here, line pattern, or otherwise triangle also here, triangle base. 2 dot, 1 dot. This like triangle base. This is a triangle pattern. Or otherwise this like also no problem. 1, 2 in middle. You rangoli ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ middle ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಇದೊಂದು triangle. Got it? This is a triangle. Okay. Number 3 you can write or you can arrange in the pattern, line pattern or triangle pattern. Next 4 number. 4 number also write in the pattern, line pattern or otherwise square pattern is the square pattern. Square means this like this. Same square. This is square is there. 4 is square pattern is there. Got it? Next 5. Write 5 number in which pattern? 5 number means only line pattern also here. Next, anybody you know about that line? Rectangle? No. This is not rectangle. This is not square. This is not triangle also. For example, this is like also 1, 2, 3. Remaining 2 are this is not a rectangle. This is not a square, and also this is not a triangle also. Got it? Only 5 is line pattern. Next 6. 6 number. Line pattern also here. Next triangle also here. Next rectangle also here, but not square. First one is rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is rectangle pattern. This is rectangle pattern. What about in a triangle? Triangle means this like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle pattern. Triangle pattern. This is like triangle pattern. 6. What about in 7? You write in 7 in which type of pattern? 7 is write in your line pattern is excepted one, remaining all numbers you can write in a line factor, but otherwise so you can write in a rectangle, no, square, no, triangle also no. Next 8 number you can write in a rectangle. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is a rectangle. Or otherwise you can write in a triangle. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 1, this is not triangle, only rectangle is there. Dear students, in this type of the all numbers write in a pattern, or otherwise line pattern, or rectangle pattern, or square pattern, or triangle pattern. Okay, you can study about some patterns in your directly. First of all, line. Line pattern means you learn about the all numbers rearranged in the line, that is over. First one is rectangle. Rectangle. Next square. Square. Next triangle. Triangle. Okay. The first one is 4. 4 is a rectangle and also square also. All squares are rectangles, but not square. Rectangles are not square. Okay. This also one square, also a rectangle. Next 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Dash dash dash. These all are rectangle. 6 means this like this. 6. 8. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 5. Sorry, 10. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 6. 6 12. 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And also in this one, or otherwise also here there is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 is there. Not wrong. This is 3 is there. 4 3 is there. This is about 2 rectangles are here. And otherwise 14 also here, same as it is. Next, in squares, only square numbers. 4. Next one is what? 9. Next 16, 25, 36. This is like all squares number in the right in the square pattern. 1 2 3 4. 9 means this like the 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This like square is the. Next one is what? 16. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is square is the. 16 is the. And 25 is also 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 into 5. Again 6 into 6. Square numbers. Triangles means what? Triangles are this like the triangles. For example, 1 2. 3 is triangle number. Again 6. Again you can take addition of 2. 6. 3. 6. Next. Again you can add 4. 10. 10 number is our triangle number. Triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is triangle number is also here. The next one is what? Again you can addition of 5 number. This is a triangle. That is 15. Next 21 also triangle number. Here again addition of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. 15 plus 6 is what? 21. Again 28 is also triangle. Again addition of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is triangle based. Just like that. Okay. You learn more concept in your patterns of number in your homework. And also, dear students, you learn about in your numbers, multiplication of numbers, addition of numbers, and also number system is the. Dear students, you know about in your graph sheet. Graph sheet this like is the one diagram is the 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can take up to infinite. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and dash up to infinite. You can consider some questions. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These right numbers are here. Or you can take 6 one also. What is? You know that 1 into 1 is 1. In this type column wise, this is row wise. 1 is here only. 1 into 1 is only 1 is there. 1 into 2 is there. 2, 1 and 2. 1 into 3 means 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. 1 into 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. Again 1 into 5 is 5 numbers are here. You know about that? 2 into 3. 2, 3 is 6 is there. 2, 3 is 6. This like is the 2, 3 is 6. The number is like this like all numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the. You know what? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. You can take this like numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers are here. Or otherwise, 6 3s are 18. 6 is here, 3 is here. 6 3s are 18. This like is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The all numbers will represent the pattern also. Geometry table also here. Okay? This like all numbers are the patterns are here. Dear students, you learn about in your first some concept in your exercise. In your exercise, some questions are here. First one, which of the following are not represented 0? First one is which of the following? Which of the following will not represent 0. First one condition A 1 plus 0, B 0 into 0, C 0 by 2, D 10 by 1, 10 minus 10 is equal to 2 is that. Okay. The question is what? Which of the following will not represent 0? Not represent 0. But this is not represent 0 because first one is 1 plus 0. 1 plus nothing. That is only 1 is there. This is not represent 0. Next this one 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into any number is always 0. Got it? Next 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 0, 2 is also 0 because every number, 0 by any number is always 0. Next, this one is what? 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 by 2 again same as it is, this is also 0. Only represent 0 in only B, C, D. Only not represent the first one. What is? And second one is what? Second one, if the product of two whole number of 0, if the product of two whole number is 0, can you say that one or both of them will be 0? No. Otherwise, the second one is if you product of any two whole number that is 0, you can take any two whole number also 0. No. Otherwise, for example, the whole numbers 2 is whole number and 0 is whole number. Therefore, 2 into 0 is 0. But that statement is what? When you take the product of two whole number, that answer is 0. You can take the product of two zeros are here. This like is the. That is not necessary. This is not necessary. But any number into 0 is always 0. Got it? Dear students, today you are study about only patterns of numbers are here. You can study about homework and exercise. I shall continue next class.